like Warren Bonifacio and Mark Pingris, talagang kailangan tumabaho para makuha yung rebound. A good steal right there by Carlo.
The anticipation by Carlo Lastimosa.
Oh no.
But he is holding on to his left leg.
His left hamstring.
Hamstring, no?
Oo, mukhang sa likod eh.
Just 29 seconds in.
See this right here. He made that sprint to the front court. Make contact with Hierro. Lost his balance. Tried to regain it. And he went down. That's what the time that he... 3-point shooters nitong Quezon Huskers.
Bonifacio sends it outside. Raimundo knocks down a three.
Now, yan yung action na sinasabi natin na sana
Banal wants a screen from Kabayni. Banal puts it on the deck. Balik kay Kabayni. The nice help defense. The rejection from Rocacurva. And in transition, Lastimosa scores.
Well, you like the adjustment of Binyan. You anticipate
3 rebounds already from Otep Kabayni. Binyan though still in the driver's seat, up by 1. Under 6 minutes left in the first quarter. Bonifacio high, arcing 3. And extends the Binyan lead to skip pass, Raimundo. It will bounce out. He gets another crack at it. And this time, he buries the tray from the left wing.
Part of the last 2 games, Warren Bonifacio finding him really just taking that 3.
3-point shot brought to you by Extreme, your one-stop shop appliances.
Game number 3, he was 50% from 3.
Sa poste sila pupunta kay Carlo Lastimosa laban kay LJ Gonzalez. Bonifacio, no hesitation. How about that? Second 3 from Warren Bonifacio. Abundo having trouble. Shot no good, but the follow-up is...
At yun ang mantra ngayon itong mga bataan ni Coach Boyet.
JJ Pino straight to the cup.
You know what? When I look at what, it's when Pido is on the floor that they score best and they have better assists, and that to me is just the which I guess is a good indication of anong klaseng depensa ang binibigay nitong Binyan.
Tagle erasing that Actub attempt.
Oh wow.
But the follow-up by Boy Actub, who is down on the floor, visibly dazed, but we continue the action. At yun nga, no, si LJ.
I think tinamaan sa mukha kanina. Pa-approach pa lang siya ng half-court line. He didn't even have himself involved in the action.
Gozom is now in for Quezon. Altamsi, the finger roll with a left-hand finish. Bam Lopez able to shake off Altamsi and kissing it off the glass and in. 5 seconds left on the shot clock of the Huskers. Oh my goodness! The rejection and the stare down from Boy Actub.
One snippet o picture ng kung anong klaseng laro ang binibigay ng Binyan pagdating sa loob.
With that 3-point conversion.
Laban din no?
Siyempre, Betista yan
Oo naman.
Ito, galing Mapua. Warren Chadong attempts from the line. Actually, Binyan has yet to make one.
Yeah.
Steal though by Joshua Hierro. Sidestep, lays it up and in. Nagbabalik sa loob si Mark Pingris. Binyan has managed to protect this lead of theirs. Still up by 10 against Quezon. Sa poste, Abundo fading away over
Del Fuentes, but you know, they really have to make adjustments in terms of efficiency, speaking of the Huskers.
Nakalusot si Rocacurva, who was able to crawl that ball in. This is the Kickster great move of the game, born for greatness.
Alam mo, karamihan ng mga kaliwete gusto nila pumunta ng kanan para mahirapan. Pero ito, hindi nahirapan si Kenny Rocacurva no? Sa National Finals. Samantalang ito naman Quezon, gustong manumbalik dun sa National Finals. And Mark Pingris, that's the second time we've seen Loy nitong Binyan.
13 puntos ang lamang. Fuentes drains the jumper, but seemed like he rolled his ankle after Pamboy Raimundo closed out on that shot.
Ang tanong dyan, magiging landing spot ba yan?
Ito tingnan natin ha.
Oh yeah, wala nga palang pito. We'll see that again. A drive.
Oh,
it was the other leg. It's not, hindi yung nag-kick na paa ni ni Judel, yung kaliwa ang bumagsak sa paa ni Cart.
Fuentes still down.
Well, after mahirap na pag-score para dito kay Judel Fuentes, nakakuha siya ng basket sa unang shot attempt niya. Dito sa third, ito naman ang nangyari. Kung di ako nagkakamali, parang pangalawang beses na bumagsak itong in this entire series, itong si Judel Fuentes after taking a shot attempt. Mark Pingris, either way, mahirap, no? Nalalakas rin ng katawan nito sa ibaba Oh, wow.
Third triple from Pamboy Raimundo. Never led in this ball game.
Pero dito ramdam mo, Ken, yung nawala sa laro itong si LJ Gonzalez. Kung gaano ka-importanteng
an outing para dito sa Quezon. Raimundo though throws it away. Gonzalez. Tamsi straight away free. It's good.
Ang dalawang bagay na gusto digits.
Approaching the halfway point of the third. Gonzalez step back jumper. Hook it from free. Magbuhos though. Charging at Jmar Gimpayan who hits the...
See this action right here. Left side of the floor, step back three. Carlo was late. Ang ganda ng release ni LJ pero ito yung banggaan sa labanan sa rebound sa baba. Yun nga ang sinasabi natin kanina pa. Hindi basta hahayaan nitong Binyan na makakuha ng...
In support of their teams, KG Cañaleta in street clothes. He would love to be part of this series but a willing spectator and supporter of Binyan Tatakjel.
As proof of real brotherhood but also the kind of discipline Coach Eric infuses to the boys, which shows in every play that they have as organized as ever. They continue this down or up in terms of the score. Ken, Coach Mike.
Maraming salamat, Mika. And that's a very... Fits. Pagaran. Crossover dribble. Drives baseline. Lays it up and in. Count it. Plus a foul.
X-factor players. Alam mong may atake. You recognize na may 3-point attempt din. Pero ito, grabe yung nilipad niyan. Dalawang defender na ilusot pa rin ni Christian Pagaran.
Ramos.
Wow!
Defensive rebound off that. Pagaran missed from the...
It is, how they plan on those kind of action. Kung may libreng tres sa kabila, ipapasa mo.
Pam Lopez about similar spot where he hit.
Coach Vanitz.
Mamaya. Ayun si Coach Vanitz. But you see that shot go in for Renza Sobido.
Huskers gotta respond. Huskers gotta respond here.
Kapanal, susugod. Bumps Mike Maestre but fails to convert. Put back though from Christian Pagaran.
Pagaran's lead. Obviously, ang Binyan gumagamit ng oras ngayon. They are taking the shot when it reaches roughly below 10 seconds. That's when they start attacking.
In the fourth. The sixth of the game is powered by 747 Live. Dito ka sa Legit.
Well, pocket pass naging available dahil kinakailangang mag-cover.
Up with RJ Minerva. Mabundo. Here come the Quezon Huskers. First basket from the former NBBL.
Final 10 seconds, doon sila magsisimulang umatake.
Another cut. Oh my goodness. Roa Corva off that nice...
Ginaligan sa series na to, di ko na muna siya idol ngayon. Saka na ulit. Ping said, abangan nyo ang dalawang yan. Talagang malayo ang mararating. Ken, Coach Mike.
Right on cue, Mika. Mark Ping is going right. Alvin Abundo. Look at this move, Coach Mike.
And it's really the toughness of a Mark Pingris that keeps these guys intact and believing that they still got a shot at this against the Quezon Huskers. And never mo makikita, nagpapanik ang isang Mark Pingris kahit ilan.
After he made that shot and has not returned since. Oh, Roca Corva! Roa with an acrobatic finish.
Oh my God.
Pingris offering that screen. Lastimosa puts it on the deck. Runner by Carlo off the glass and in.
With all of the other perimeter, shoot the floor for this handoff. And itong drive na to ni Carlo Lastimosa, talagang wala nang challenge. Everybody's nag-aabang na baka i-drop pass na naman eh. But Carlo says, no, I'll finish this and I'll go glass.
Biggest lead of the night for
Kyle never did it in the playoffs for the very first time as a double-digit rebound performance.
LJ knocks down a free. Still some life para dito sa Quezon Huskers.
Ginawa yun, it would have been off to the races on fast breaks for the Huskers, but dahil sa magandang pagtimo ni Pamboy, ito naging resulta para sa Binyan. Oh, wow!
LJ with his second free of the...
They'll be down only 7. Ito yung tres na yun ni LJ. He was backpedaling. Pamboy.
LJ loves it up. Will Gozom scores underneath. And Coach Boyet Fernandez will sue for time.
8-point run by the Huskers. Ito yung switch. They always try to blitz the man on the ball. They left underneath the tag man o yung tumutulong dapat sa ilalim ay si Carlo. Nahuli. Ganda ng salo. Ganda ng finish.
Walk Horva, they have to cross the timeline. Intercepted by Gabanal. Swing pass, Gonzalez, the fake, the drive.
Possession for Binyan. See that pass right there, good swing. Immediately saw Pamboy Raimundo closing out. What do you do if you're LJ? You know,
Down to 5.
That was a good decision by LJ, opting for the higher percentage shot.
Rock Horva getting past the defense. Don't need to foul if you're Quezon.
Ooh.
Pingris stepping on the baseline.
They're gonna challenge this. And rightfully so, because it's napakahalaga nito.
Because Mark Pingris was deemed out of bounds. They have a good angle here. Let's see. Oh yeah, he did. That is
season. The Huskers actually did good in crunch time. That right foot. There you go.
Oh.
There you go.
So bola ng Quezon. Overs resulting to 21 turnover points. Will Gozom, this is big. Too strong. But Joshua Yero caught it. Si JJ Pido, additional ball handler, crossing the timeline, lost it. Will Gozom got it back, but he will turn the ball over. He thought he got fouled there at the cup.
Well, even Pido thought he got fouled. Well, just too quick.
Double team.
Foul.
They push from Campanal. They are in penalty. So Roa Horva potentially to make this a free possession ball game.
Yan ang isa sa mga pasang tinitingnan mo eh. Yung sa gitna ng floor if you're getting pressed from the back.
To create some cushion for Binyan. He does not. Buhay pa ang Quezon. Gonzalez. 13 seconds left. LJ pulls up. Long three-pointer. Too strong. Tip-in is good. 7.6 seconds left. Binyan, no more timeouts. Quezon needs to foul. Time not on their side, and they do foul JJ Pido with 3.1 seconds remaining.
In a way, refused to end, no?
Oh.
Ito yung magandang topic ni Yero. Just timely na tumama doon sa board bago pumasok. Kailangan pantayan mo yung intensity ng kalaban mo. Oh boy. Yes. There you go.
And he does. Timeout Quezon.
MC. Hey man. Okay. Win.
Coach.
Gab. Okay. Ito gagawin natin, ha. Sorry. Eman pala. Tamsi. Will. Gab. Didikoy ko si Eman, ha. Huwag mo lalaliman. Didikoy ko si Eman. Okay. Eman. Pero pag libre-libre, bigay mo. Tamsi. Screen sa'yo, dalawa. Baseline. Shot. Okay? Okay? Maliwanag, ha? Okay, now listen. Ikaw na lang. Isang screen lang. Para si Gab. Pop out. Okay, Gab? Pwede yan, ha? Okay? Anong gagawin natin? Gab! Win! Gab! 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 Kunyari kay Tamsi ka, pero mispread na to, pipin down sa'yo si Will. Okay, pero sumit ka ron. Okay, maliwanag, ha? Tatawid mo si Tamsi. O, tatawid. Tatimingan mo, Brad. Pag ganon, hindi, huwag mo nintayin. Pag ganon, lumipat ka lang agad dito, option ka lang agad, tapos si Tamsi. So, ano yan, ha? LJ, pag wala kang tira, spread, hand up nyo kay LJ. Okay.
LJ will trigger it in.
There's that pin in.
Altamsi.
That's the shot.
Oh! He misses! And that's gonna do it. Warren Bonifacio flirting with disaster, but for the second consecutive year, the South Division Finals comes down to one final game. Binyan this year will play in their third do-or-die game in the 2025 playoffs. And boy, an impressive record, 6-3.
Maraming salamat, Ping. Congratulations. Napag-usapan natin kanina na rinespeto mo ang serye na to na para kang nasa championship series na talaga, no? Today, you had 11 rebounds. Pero ang laro din ng Quezon, ano? Lumaban din talaga sila sa inyo hanggang dulo.
Well, nire-respeto talaga namin sila dahil, defending champion, di ba? Nandun yung magandang laro din nila. But tonight talagang dumipensa lang talaga kami na maayos. Yun yung wala nung last game namin. So, yesterday, yun sa practice namin talagang nag-focus kami sa defense. Dahil yun ang magpapanalo sa amin.
Ping, sabi nga ni Coach Mike Perez, you were the most fouled player, no, sa series na to. It speaks of your value. Kung ano talaga ang value mo sa seryeng to. Sabi nga ni Gab Banal tsaka ni Sandagon kanina, idol ka pa daw nila nung game 1. Ngayon daw hindi na. Anong masasabi mo doon?
Okay lang, nire-respeto ko yun. Laro lang to pero magkakaibigan kami. Ako, idol ko yung mga yan. Balang araw, ako yung papalakpak mismo sa kanila pagdating nila sa PBA.